Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Denby Halo extra large plate. So let's go ahead and remove the protective paper packaging from the plate. So you can see that this Denby Halo extra large plate has been very carefully wrapped in this protective packaging paper. And there we have the Denby Halo extra large plate, still wrapped up, but this time around it's in a clear plastic bag. And now let's, of course, slide the plate out from its clear plastic bag and, of course, reuse or dispose of that bag thoughtfully and, of course, keeping it away from children, pets, and babies. And now giving you a clear look at this Denby Halo extra large plate. So it measures 30.5 centimeters wide, of course, from the furthest ends of the plate. So 30.5 centimeters in diameter. So giving you a look right there at the plate, and of course setting it down, giving you a nice clear view right there of this extra large plate in Denby's Halo range. And now just, of course, turning it right round, giving you various aspects of this extra large plate and placing my hand on top of the plate to give you some idea of the size. So it is very, very big or wide, and just giving you other views of this plate. And of course the underside as well. So the underside is a very, very dark black, and you can see that nice glossy glaze finish. Very shiny, and of course it is made from stoneware clay. So it is highly chip resistant, and it is also microwave, fridge, freezer, oven, and dishwasher safe. And just giving you a close-up look at the details on the underside, and you can see the safety labels around the Denby logo or branding. Just trying to give you a nice clear view there. Of course there will be some reflection, but just angling and tilting and patting the plate around to give you the correct or proper reflection or view at the details of this Denby Halo extra large plate. So very deep black with that gloss glaze, and of course that nice beige stoneware color of that Denby or Derbyshire clay. And of course moving very slowly so the camcorder can stay in focus. And giving you a look right there at this very, very large 30.5 centimeter wide plate with that speckled finish. So you can see it is a handcrafted plate and made in England. Of course that's just a sticky label which can be removed, but just giving you a look to the very, very interesting details of that speckled finish, and of course how it just blurs towards a very graduated dark black towards the rim of the plate. So let's bring it in even closer so you can observe that detail right there. So it starts off with a brownish edge on the rim, on the inner rim of the plate, and then speckled finish, and then it blurs towards a very deep black on the outer lip or edge of the plate. And then once again we see that stoneware, very fine stoneware edge with that beige finish at the end, and of course back around to the external aspects is its very deep black underside and externals of this Denby Halo extra large plate. It's right there giving you some aspects to the depth and form of the plate. Right there. So you can see the dish or depth right there. In the very light cream colored circle center. And with that speckled finish that blends with a blur towards the outer rim or edges of the plate. And just tapping to give you some idea of the heft and of course the density of this stoneware clay Denby dish or plate. And once again giving you another look right there, but this time around of course from the outside looking in. And showing you how the light plays on its glossy finish. And with that handcrafted touches, with that speckled finish, and of course the plate comes with a Denby 10-year guarantee. And right there giving you another look, but this time around further out for a bit more perspective. And of course let's place it that way down, bottom side up, and placing my hand on top of the plate to give you once again a different perspective and of course some idea of the size of this 30.5 centimeter wide Halo extra large plate. So that's the Denby Halo extra large plate. Thanks for watching and happy eating!